Mucemanio wa hamwe wa atongoria thure a kiama kia UDA na ODM nikuo riboti ya ukinyaniria wa mendekithia 10 ma riboti ya NADCO na iria yaiguithaniirio ni President William RUTO na uria wari mutongoria wa ODM mutigaire Raila Odinga iruguriirio igitariria haria thirikari ikinyitie gukinyaniria mendekithia maya 10.
Power si power.
Gukinyanagiria na riu thirikari yugite ni igite keheri bilioni 2 cia kuriha family iria endwa ao moragirwo ni borithi hindi ya mirurungano na oho ni nyihitie mahuthiro mayo niguo kuhonokia mbeca na iguru wa mothe mawatho 3 hari 9 maria mendekithitio ni NADCO ni mahetukie.
The progress we have made is evident across several areas. Our country today enjoys greater stability, and the partnership has created an environment in which government programs can proceed without unnecessary political disruption.
Riboti ino irendekithia guthondekwo gwa kamiti ya mwanya ya ambunge na maseneta aria wira wao ni hamwe na guthurima ukinyaniria wa mendekithia 6 maria matigarite kwa ihinda ria mieri 3 na oho macira mothe ma ungumania mathuthurio kwa ihinda ria mieri 6.
We will be recommending in this PG that we have a broad-based negotiating team, because if broad-based decides, Parliament will decide.
Iguru waguo riboti ino irenda kumbo gwa kamiti ingi ya memba 8 na aria wira wao munene ni kwarira uria ODM na UDA makunyitana mwerekera-ini wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
Your Excellency, congratulations.
Atongoria ni mokireire atongoria aria marahura riboti ino matongoretio ni mwandiki munene mumbanire wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna uria utanoka nginyagia mucemanio-ini uyu.
There are some people who want to appoint themselves supervisors as if we met the commitment to them. We did not make the commitment to them. We met the commitment to the people of Kenya.
Broad-based arrangement cannot depend on the 10-point agenda. 10-point agenda was meant to strengthen the broad-based arrangement.
Mamwe ma maundu maria riboti ino itigite na thutha ni hamwe na watho wa maiganania na uria urarakire gavana wa Embu Cecily Mbarire.
So I want to say thank you very much. I leave now the other processes to the rest of the people. Yes, yes. You want to say something? Are you sure you want to say something?
Please say something about the 2/3 gender rule. It is silent in this report. It's not there.
It is
It's
there.
just mentioned.
It is there, Can somebody read out the
Chair,
it is there, sis.
Your Excellency, please let me
We
read for
cannot
you.
make such a fatal mistake.
You know, Your Excellency,
Item number 1.
your pronouncement means a lot to the women of
Okay.
this country. It is very, very important
Okay.
that this is mentioned right here and now, sir, respectfully.
Let me be specific.
We'll ask 2/3 gender rule. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Honestly says, we are all in.
Atongoria maugite maguthie na mbere na kuruta wira hamwe ta uria merire a Kenya guku makiuria a Kenya gukamanyita mbaru githurano itwerekeire. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, gĩtagwo Gĩtonga wa Wambui.